major scale. A scale is a succession of 8 notes, that is, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Types of scale. Number 1, major scale. Number 2, minor scale. Number 3, pentatonic scale. Number 4, chromatic scale. And number 5, diatonic scale. A diatonic scale is a kind of scales that is built on tone and semitone. A major scale, likewise, is built on tone-tone semitone, tone-tone-tone semitone pattern. From do to re is a tone. From re to mi is a tone. From mi to fa is semitone. From fa to sol is a tone. From sol to la is a tone. From la to ti is a tone. From ti to do is semitone, using the key of C major. The first degree or starting note is called the do, home note, key note, or tonic. Each note of the scale is called degree. There are 7 degrees to each major scale. Do is the first degree. Re is the second degree. Mi is the third degree. Fa is the fourth degree. So is the fifth degree. La is the sixth degree. And Ti is the seventh degree. Semitones comes between 3 to 4 degree and 7 to 8 degrees. All others are tones. You can use the above tone-tone semitone, tone-tone-tone semitone pattern to build any major scale starting from any given key. We learned also that the white keys are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The black keys of the piano or organ are arranged in groups of 2s and 3s. When we play from left to right on the keyboard, we are going up in pitch. As we play from right to left, we are going down in pitch. It follows that note D is higher in pitch than note C, and B is lower in pitch than C, etc. A semitone or half step is the distance between any note and the very next note up or down on the piano. The word semi means half. Semitone means half of a tone. In conclusion, 2 semitones makes a tone. A tone means all steps or 2 notes next to another. C to D is 1 tone, 2 semitones. E to F is half tones, which is 1 semitone. B to C is half tone, which is 1 semitone. A key signature is a group of sharp or flat symbols placed immediately after the clef to indicate the key of any given piece or composition. C major has no sharp, no flat. G major has 1 sharp, that is F sharp. D major has 2 sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp. A major has three sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. F major has one flat, that is B flat. B flat major has two flats, that is B flat, E flat. E flat major has three flats, that is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic surfers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.